Hello, my name is Julie Jaramillo. I would like to talk about my mom. Her name is Victoria San Martin. She lives in Sucumbíos. I have good experience with her. I think she is my role model in my life. I learned a lot of things because her example. She is kind and honest person. She taught me to work in big coaches. I have a good experience and I always hope to follow her. Example, I apply in my life. Thank you very much.